Hey everyone, I'm Pavitra, your go-to makeup artist. And today we're creating a simple makeup routine without foundation. Let's go. Guess I have to restock my moisturizer. After prepping my skin for makeup, I'll be using a silicone-based primer from Inside Cosmetics, and color corrector is also from Inside Cosmetics. I'll be using orange corrector to dark circles and darker shade to conceal it and also to do a contouring effect, and using a lighter shade on my eyelids as well. Then using the Swiss Beauty's concealer, which is one tone lighter than my skin tone, to use it all over my face because we're skipping the foundation today. Use your fingers to blend so that it blends easily. If you like to do contouring, you can also do it. I'm using it on my jawline as well. And a blush, which is like an orange tone. This is also from Inside Cosmetics in the shade Enclair, and I'm using the powder to set it. This powder is from Swiss Beauty. I'm just applying it very minimal. Time to shape my eyebrows. I'm keeping it very natural and just filling it. I'm using a bit darker shade which is in brown family to contour it and using a lighter shade in eyelids. Finishing with shimmer. To create an easy wing, I'll be using the eyebrow brush to draw it and just applying it all over my eyes. And that's the simple eye look. We're almost done with the makeup. I'll be choosing the lip combo very randomly. I picked the Maybelline New York's lipstick, which is in the shade Nude Nuance in the number 21. And the lip combo is from My Glam Elite Lip Definer in the shade Burgundy. After defining my lips with the help of a lip liner, I'll be smudging it out over my lips and filling the lips with the lipstick. If you're someone or bride to be watching this video, and if you're looking for a makeup artist for your special day to make it more beautiful day, you can contact me. The number is in the description. And if you found this video helpful, just give a white heart in the comment section and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're a new watcher to my channel. And also comment what to try next. Until then, signing off. Bye.